lesson is Advanced Pre-Algebra Unit 2, Lesson 5, Combining Like Terms. That's what that stands for, Combining Like Terms. The homework is page 11 in the homework packet. We're having a quiz on Wednesday. Don't forget about your con and your problem of the week. All right, we are on page 9 in your note packet. We're going to talk about some vocabulary. A term, each part of an algebraic expression that is separated by an addition or subtraction sign. So for example, 7x plus 10 minus 5y plus 7. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Those are terms. Like terms have the same variables to the same power. Same variable to the same power. Will look like that in the middle in a moment. A constant is a term without a variable. So, for example, in this one, this 10 and this 7 are constants. These two are terms, but they're not like terms because this has an x and this has a y. For them to be like terms, they need to have the same exact variable with the same power. Now, let's look at these. Are these terms or like terms? They are terms because this has an x and this does not have an x. 3x and 4x, those are what we call like terms because they both have a variable and it's exactly the same power. 3 and 5 are both constants. They are like terms. There's no variable. 3x squared and x, these are just terms because this is an x squared and this is an x. They are not the same. X and y are just terms. They're not the same. 3y squared and y squared, those are like terms because they both have a variable with the same power. Often a variable does not have a number in front of it. In this case, there is understood to be a 1 in front of their variable. There is also understood to be a 1 in the exponent if nothing is written. Like this one right here. This is a 1y squared. This is x to the first power. Okay? So example, this is b to the first. This is negative 1a. You don't write that, just like I don't write 1b. You just write negative a. Okay. What does it mean to simplify expression? It means you combine like terms. Combine like terms. So, this is an algebraic expression. 5m plus 9m plus m. Let me explain it this way. This could be 5 monkeys plus 9 monkeys plus 1 monkey. If I can add those together because they're all monkeys. 5 monkeys plus 9 monkeys is 14 monkeys plus 1 monkey is 15 monkeys. It's 15 monkeys. Combine that term. Now, this one. It's like I have 3 apples, $2 plus 4 apples, and I put it all in a bowl. What can I add together? I can combine my like terms. Now, what I like to do is underline like terms with the same number of underlines. So 3a and 4a. 3 apples plus 4 apples is 7 apples. I cannot add $2 to it, so it's just plus 2. Bring down the plus 2. Combine like terms. So let's see. I can combine 3n plus 7n. Look at the sign in front of it. 3n plus 7n is 10n. Negative 2r, that's a negative 2r plus 9r. Those are like terms. Negative 2r plus 9r is positive 7r. Just like you're adding integers. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7. There's nothing to add to this negative 5, so bring down minus 5. Remember, minus 5 is the same as negative 5 because I could think of this as plus negative 5, but I don't want you writing double signs. All right, negative 4x minus 10x. They are like terms, and you think of it just like an integer. Negative 4 minus 10. Add the opposite, that's negative 14x. Negative 4x minus 10x